Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This video is about Bandal C'est Paris. Bandal C'est Paris is an illusion started by JB Mpiana. He was supposed to give a concert in Paris. The concert didn't take place. Instead, he gave a concert in Kinshasa and managed to convince the audience that they were in Paris. Since that day, people love the slogan so much, they are repeating it over and over. People are even trying to rename other places, other counties in Kinshasa. The next part of this video is the idiom Eyokani. It means it is heard. Eyokani is like saying congratulations. I agree. No need for discussion, no doubt. It is heard, I agree, I give you credit. Congratulations, Eyokani. The next upload on this channel will be a review of the song Nakei Nairobi. Please like this video and or leave a comment. I'm trying to be uploading one video every day.